As part of our upcoming Techtivities, we have a Betcha Didn't Know That Google Could Do That slide deck available for you. This slide deck is full of a plethora of little known tips and tricks for each one of these Google tools. The way that this slide deck is created is if you click on any of these tools from the main page, it will give you a list of some little known facts for that specific tool. In this video, I'll tease you with just a couple of the options and you can go through all of the rest on your own. So starting in Docs, did you know that you can create drop downs within Google Docs now? Think about closed reading activities as well as guided note taking. If you want to learn more about how to complete all of these different tasks, they are built here with step-by-step instructions on each slide of the slide deck. Another great idea for Google Docs to explore more is the Explore tool. Just go here to Tools and Explore, and students can look up anything on the internet right within Google Docs. So if you are looking for the state bird, you can find information here as well as images. We also have a few ideas here in Google Drive on how you can organize your drive with emojis, colors, and numbers. Now let's go over just a couple of ideas here in Google Forms. Now, many of you are familiar with Google Forms quizzes, but did you know that you can utilize GIFs and images within a Google form that can be incorporated into part of a quiz? Also, think about giving students voice and choice in the classroom by creating rubrics with your students within a Google form. You can do this by creating a multiple choice grid question and all together as a class decide what the criteria looks like and what the level of criteria should be for either student projects or presentations, and then students can grade each other with the rubric that they all created together. But now let's move on to Google Sheets. We have about 5 different ideas for Google Sheets. One of them, which is a brand new game changer, is Google Sheets Timelines. You put the necessary information here within a Google Sheet, then go to Insert and Timeline, and on a brand new tab, it will take that information and build out an automatic timeline for you. Another really quick idea I bet you didn't know about Google Sheets, it's crazy easy setting up filters within Google Sheets. I'm just going to select the entire sheet, go up here to this filter icon, and then you're able to use the drop-down that is created within each column, clear it out, and then only choose the information you want. It will pull up that data, and then you can go here and get it all back. Google Slides have so many ideas on how you can use Google Slides. We have a page that explains how to make a stop-motion GIF within an animated slide. And in case you were ever wondering, so if you have a slide deck and you want to have the presentation view, but you want to have access to the rest of your tabs, go to File, Share, Publish to the Web, and then get this link to open up in a brand new tab. And now you have the Publish to the Web link. We have a lot of shortcut ideas here for Google Sites. Many of them are built-in shortcuts within the Google Sites Builder. So after you have published your Google site, get the link to the site, go to the top 3 dots, and open up your incognito window. When you paste that link to the published site, you can see in your site anything that does not have the correct share permissions when you share this out. And finally, we have some ideas here within Google Chrome. Learn about right-clicking and pinning a tab, as well as searching in the Omnibox for things like calculators, flipping a coin, or built-in tools like rolling a dice. We have so many more ideas for you built within our slide deck. Please check it out on your own time and try some of them out. If you want to learn more about other tools like Gmail or how to utilize any of these things like branching Google Forms or conditional formatting in Sheets, please reach out to our EdTech team and we would be happy to work with your school site one-on-one or with your classroom on how to use any of these tools and dig really deep into them to find out what you maybe didn't know.